So, as I said, the outcome of one tool becomes input on another tool. Another tool that I want to talk to you about is called trimming. Is something new. It didn't exist. My high school friend and our chief scientist have developed this some 15 years ago. The essence of trimming is very simple. I want to simplify what I have by eliminating components that don't do too much for me. And I want to be ruthless. I want to get rid of everything that is here. If you're a consultant, you got shot if you don't have 4 quadrants. This is really, no, it's true. They do it. They now do it at the airport. As a consultant, if you don't immediately show 4 squares. So I want to get rid of everything that is here. But how? How to get rid of that? Because each of these components, remember this rock, does something. Right? Look at this. If you try to eliminate rock, somebody needs to hold wear, right? If you try to eliminate sap, somebody needs to absorb water. So trimming is the tool that in structured, disciplined way, and when you attend our classes, you will learn how to do it, so you sign up after that. And it allows you, to guide you through process of eliminating components, but keeping useful function. Let's look at this screen, right? What are the components of this screen? The screen itself, the bar, the motor here, right? The strap here, and so on. What's the function of the screen? Reflect light. What's the function of this bar? Stabilize it. What's the function of engine on top? Right. Yeah, move it up, right? Everything costs us money, right? Can we have a system that performs the same function but will be better, simpler, cheaper? Any ideas? Sorry? Whiteboard, right. We could trim, eliminate the whole system on one component by another. We could eliminate this if we use different material, right? It doesn't need to be stabilized. But keep the function. This is the essence of trimming. We want to eliminate components, but keep functions. So let's look at our model and we say, hey, obviously, once again, it comes with rules, process, and so on and so forth. Let's eliminate web, because it doesn't do the only good thing for us. But if we eliminate web, right, we don't need SAP. So let's eliminate both of them. And this is a great system that we have now. We have a jacket, we have a wrap, we have a core. The only problem in that these guys were performing some useful function too. We need to ask somebody to perform this function. So nothing comes for free, unfortunately. You create a different problem. We call it trimming problem. How to transfer function stuff water to component jacket. Why jacket? Because it already does something stopping. Let's ask it to do more. It's a new problem. It's a crazy tool, by the way. You ask me, very often our clients get angry at this point because they say, we hire you to solve this problem. Instead of solving this problem, you've created a new one. You're wasting our money. Interestingly enough, nobody ever has had this problem. Why it's good? Because if nobody has ever had this problem, it means that nobody has ever solved this problem. And so if you do this, you could be ahead of the pack. So it's a good thing to have a new problem. Because you will be different, and I guarantee you will be better. So this is the essence of trimming, halfway, right? We eliminate some components, but we keep their function, and we ask ourselves to create a new problem, how to do this. And usually you have a number of trimming scenarios. You can go deeper, you could go more shallow, create a different set of problems. Remember, with the script, we can eliminate the whole back thing, or we try to eliminate one of them. But if we eliminate only one of them, we need to solve other problems. If we eliminate the whole screen, we have new problems, right? How to find a flat wall, how to make sure that nobody writes on this wall, and so on. But if we solve these problems, we will address our initial problem in a much better way. So I'm not going to show you how we came up with this solution, but this is a very inventive solution. Remember, the only thing that we have is a jacket and a wrap and a core. The idea was, let's make few holes in the wrap and then pour melted jacket on the top. So jacket, melted jacket, will go through the hole and create only pockets inside. So if water gets inside, it's not going to get distributed. Got it? 1, 2, 3. So, why it's a good solution for this company? Remember, we started from the fact that it was a business problem. Company that was making jackets were losing business. Wraps. Company that's making wraps was losing business. Why it's a good solution? Because they said, okay, we patent this solution, and we go to cable manufacturer and say, hey guys, you now could produce cables that have small number of parts, easy to assemble, cheaper, go with us. And the cable manufacturer said, sure, why not? And because it's a patented solution, nobody else could do that. So you start from the business problem. You apply new tools in a structured way, and you find a business solution to a problem that it was probably impossible to solve. Okay? So trimming is a unique tool. You have to get used to that because it's unusual. You keep creating problems. It's kind of a funny tool that is a problem statement and problem solution at the same time.